I'm showing you the use of a reference manager uh, while taking care of the references automatically. So this reference manager is called Zotero, and it has two components. So first of all, you need to have a Linux platform for this, and then in Linux, equivalent of Microsoft Word or Word editor is LibreOffice. So once you install Zotero, you have to create an account for Zotero. Then you'll have two components to be installed. One for the LibreOffice plugin, or all these Z or icons, buttons, whatever they are, Zotero icons. And similarly, you've got to have a component for your Firefox. So there it would appear something like this, save to Zotero, as you see here popped up. So let's straight get on to the business. For example, this 4 which you have manually incorporated, so I'll have to go to reference 4, and since you have already given the DOI, I can simply copy this DOI and go to the browser, open a new window and paste it in the address bar. It's the Frontiers article, antimicrobial peptides. Okay, so then I'll just click this button once and see this has been added to my library. So where is my library? This is that library which automatically gets synced through internet wherever you have connections. Now you can simply copy the title and go back here and go back to the place where you want to plug it in, want to call the reference from, and then click this add or edit citation. So then here in this box you type or copy paste the title, and see this has popped up from the library. You just press enter, so it will be selected. Then just press enter. See, there is a automated citation calling number, and now you can simply delete the manually added 4 where the references got plugged in as bibliography. So as you can see, after at the end of the document, and there you have, till now I have added 6, so it is showing in some other font. Later you can select this and change the font, etc., and you can delete this entire thing manually added, and that would be it. Fine, but I'll not do it because I'm not yet finished. But I'll show you one more example so that it is absolutely clear to you. So let's say 7. So then I go to 7, and here you have already given the DOI. So I'll copy it again and I'll paste it in an address bar, and then it will I'll have to wait till the page gets refreshed, etc. I'll copy the title, and then I'll click here. Since this is a book chapter, see the icon has changed. It's a different thumbnail for a book chapter and a paper. And now I can go back and get back to that 7 here. I can go here and paste it in the box, select it, and now if you go down, you'll see that 7 has already been automatically included. So that's the way to do it. All the 10 references now. In fact, I have added an 11th one. So this is Bromax for the molecular dynamic simulation, which is free and non-commercial. So you'll use that. So this is how it looks. Now you might be asking yourselves that why should I use this? What is the added value for that? Suppose you are dealing with 50-60 references and you want to change something. Let's say you want to add another reference here. Let's say I want to add the commentary of Professor Balram. So I can search it for, first of all, let's say with whatever keywords I can remember. P. Balram, Marquee origins, SARS-CoV-2, and SARS-CoV-2, and then current science. So that was the name of the journal which gets published from IISc Bangalore. So this is the paper. So here I'll not do it again, I'll not add it again in my library because it is already added. It's just a PDF file, but that's what is available. So what I'll do, I'll copy the title, come back here. I know that this is already existing in my library, so I'll add it here, let's say. So 2,3 it will be. So two references to support this few sentences. And then I'll go to here, see this is already existing. I'll paste the other title, it has come. So now this has been added twice. I'll have to choose. I think this is a better one because here you are seeing that volume and issue, etc., article number, everything is there. And then sometimes this is you have to put a little double effort to get things done. Sorry. Yeah, so that's it. Now see 2, 3, and if you go back to the bibliography area, so obviously whenever it will be changed, the font will be changed, and you have to select this part and make it look the way you want to. So it is as easy as that. So everything now is automatically renumbered. So otherwise, if you had to do it manually, you had to change every number following the reference 3, the new reference 3, because the numbers are changing. So now you do not have to do anything manually, everything is automatically taken care of by the software. But this will not work with doc files. See here, the name is .odt, here you see. So ODT is for LibreOffice documents, so that's something after you install Linux and LibreOffice and Zotero, I'll go in more details.